Bonjour, Gakna Aoyak, Bruce Beardy here. I want to introduce three inanimate nouns here in relation to ownership or possession. So these are all inanimate nouns. The first one is chiman, that's a canoe or boat. Chimanan are canoes, boats, chimanan. Desabiwan is the next one, that's a chair. Some people say desabowan, desabiwanan, chairs, or desabowanan. Wakahigan is the next one, wakahigan, house, and wakahiganan, those are houses, wakahiganan. So when we take a look at the ownership or possession, this is a singular inanimate noun that we're looking at. Okay, so chiman is one canoe, and you'll see it right across the rows here, or in this column in this case. Chiman, all of them. And remember, this is the singular, just the one canoe, even though there's more than one owners of that one canoe. Okay, let's take a look at it. So the pronouns I've presented last week. So nin is me or my. In this case, Nijiman is my canoe or my boat. Keen is you. Kichiman, that's your canoe. Ween is Ojiman, his or her canoe. Notice the difference here. Ween becomes, that's the third person, becomes, when you write an ownership, it becomes an O. Ween becomes an O. It has something to do with phonological roles of the language. Okay, that's a different study right there. So ween, Ojiman, same thing happens over here as well. So this is very common for many of the dialects of the language. So it does happen. So Ojiman is his or her canoe. Ninawind is me and someone else. Nijiman Ninan is our canoe, not including you. The next one, however, is Kinawind. That's you and I. Kijiman, our canoe, you and I. And Kinawa is Kijimanwa, your and someone else's canoe. Okay, your plural canoe. And Winawa, Ojimanwa is their canoe. Okay, so these are the singular inanimate nouns. And you can pretty well do the same thing with any of these just by replacing chiman and that pattern that we were just looking at with desabiwan and even wakahigan. Okay, let's take a look at this one now. So this is the ownership possession of plural inanimate nouns. Again, chiman right here, chiman all the way down. And nin is again nijiman nan. Okay, these are my canoes, my boats now. So I have more than one canoe, which is indicated by this plural form. Nijimanan. Ne, me. Jiman is the noun, and is the plural form. Kin, kijimanan. Your canoes, kijimanan. Win, ujimanan. His or her canoes, ujimanan. Ninawand means someone else. Nijimananan, our canoes, not you. Kinawand, Kijimananan, that's our canoes, you and I. Kinawa, Kijimanawan, Kijimanawan. So that's your plural, more than one person's canoes, plural. And Winawa, Ujimanawan. That's their canoes. Okay, so like I said, you could pretty well do the same with just by replacing chiman here with the desabiwan and also wakahigan. Okay, some people say wakahigan. In my language, wakahigan. Okay, so there's some differences in the pronunciation of words. Okay, so next week's video will concentrate on the animate nouns. Okay, so there's some differences that happens. That's for next video. Thanks for listening to me.